modern area.
Yeah.
It's hard to capture that feeling that he had in his phone. It's so difficult.
Even with the film, it's so different.
It will be long, but before it comes out, it unfolds. You know,
Like an accordion.
like accordion, yes. The space you have here is hidden in here, and then this is not exactly like this. This is, it has this underneath, you know.
Okay.
And then when you open it, it unfolds, right? It unfolds, and this piece corresponds to what we have here.
Okay.
Okay.
But when draw in this section, you can.
That's a little bit an issue. You could also think to have it not here, but on the side.
Yeah, I think.
The side would be
Yeah.
easier.
Easier
Then the
than
book
this.
is then the book is closed.
Yeah.
You know, and then what you can do is your book will have a slipcase. Now we're going to be really expensive book, you know. your book will have a slipcase, you know. So your book is in here, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, a little box, a little
Yeah.
cardboard box, little box, and on the back, if you see, so you could be like this. So this is the spine of the book, you know. This is the spine of the book. All this will be transparent if you have it here.
Okay.
You will have the transparent. So the slipcase comes around.
Okay.
Yeah, like your cell phone. You put your cell phone in.
Okay.
So these are the transparents, and the transparents you can also have tramline, the tramline number, because this you will not see, you know. And then when you open, so this is here. Right?
Okay.
So the transparents, they don't go up,
Yeah.
but they are here. They go
Here.
out,
Yeah,
right?
okay.
And then
Okay.
it's another issue. I think it's easier to do because this adds another complicated matter. I think, and also the trams is horizontal. It's
Yeah,
not vertical.
Not vertical. Yes.
Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
point.
Okay. But you know, you have to build also a box to put the book inside.
I mean, would you ever consider to do it like an accordion, or has it been done too many times?
I think this is
Just
much
because
more.
it's a tram.
I don't know how to forget anything when we. Okay. This is Fatma Fahmi, Egyptian photographer. I am studying in Daniel class. The title of my book, called Once There Was a Tram, is about the month's journey of hopping on and hopping off in the tram in Alexandria. It is document a tram line that will be replaced. Can you cut this? Okay. Again, the final sentence or what?
Yes, the final
Yes,
sentence.
that's the document, right?
Yes.
Okay. It is document the tram line that will be replaced to. What happened? So sorry.
It's okay. Just say it's a documentary
Okay.
of a
بس
tram
when
line.
بتعملوا ده.
Like, go.
Okay. I don't forget anything when you.
It's okay.
It is document a tram line that will be replaced buy a new one. Erasing a tram line of a history that okay, I will erasing. I will make this again. Okay, erasing a tram line of history that once existed. Okay, this is good or I mean.
La couleur à l'extérieur et les noirs et blancs à l'intérieur. Faut pas changer mes idées, papa. Je veux ça, c'est mon idée. Faut pas changer. Ouais, comme là. Non, 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 faut pas couper.
Wait. Mama, we do this.
This is the color.
Yes, this is the black.
The black inside.
Yes,
out.
black. No, black inside. We do this black. We close. We close. Yes, this
Slowly
is black.
my book, papa.
You see?
No, I don't like. Yeah. Don't change my idea. Yeah, this is my book. You can put this out. It's simple. Yeah, for me. Voilà, faut juste couper. Il faut voir si c'est le fond. Slowly, d'abord. Slowly, because this is the paper. It's not in the paper foot.